Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Park the Hyundai Santa Fe on level ground and set the parking brake before you start. Safety prevents the car from rolling while you work. Open the rear hatch and turn the ignition off so the wiper circuit is inactive. Gather a replacement rear wiper blade sized 14 inches, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth to protect paint. Wear gloves and use a towel over the glass to catch dropped parts. Checking the new blade for the correct adapter type saves time and prevents returns. Lift the rear wiper arm gently away from the glass and place a towel under the arm to protect the hatch. Locate the plastic locking tab at the blade connection. Use a small flathead screwdriver to press the tab while pulling the blade assembly straight out from the arm. Slide the old blade off the hook or pin adapter and set it aside. Inspect the wiper arm and pivot for rust or bending, clean dirt and debris with a cloth, and apply a small spray of penetrating oil if pivot movement is stiff. Select the correct adapter on the new 14-inch blade and align it with the wiper arm hook or pin. Slide the blade into place until you hear or feel the locking tab click. Tug gently on the blade to confirm it is secure. Lower the wiper arm carefully onto the glass, avoiding a sudden release that could crack the rear window. Start the ignition and activate the rear wiper to cycle twice. Check for consistent wiping, no streaking, and firm contact along the entire blade length. Recheck the adapter fit and tighten if any looseness appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.